Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Jomar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports discussions, topics and debates on the whole entire internet, guys.
Yes, so we are here at the National Stadium and everybody watching this video should know why. Today will be the day when Jamaica will be taking on Costa Rica in our World Cup qualifier match. Game 11. We're here, the players just walk the field. And we have a little bit to report. I don't know what it means, you guys can make of it what you want, but this is what we saw.
Well, being the objective journalists that we are, we're going to come and we're going to tell you as it is. And what we saw was, you want to call the names?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so the names of the players that we just saw walk the field. Adrian Mariappa, Bobby Reed, Greg Lee, Ethan Pinnock, Kevin Stewart, Ravel Morrison,
Andre Gray.
Right? Those were the players that walked the field. There were 3 other players that came out of the tunnel but did not go on the field. Those players were Amal Knight, Dwayne Miller, and Corey Burke. Right? We saw those 3 players around the technical area speaking to Warren Barrett. I'm not sure what exactly those players were speaking to Warren Barrett about.
I didn't see our number 1 goalkeeper. I didn't see Andre Blake. I don't know if that means that he will be starting. Also, we didn't see any of the Jamaican-born players walk in the field. That could mean one of 2 things. Either they're already used to the field and they don't need to check it out, or
there might be a rift.
Yeah, they could have thrown in the towel.
Because to be honest, the English-based players didn't necessarily walk the field.
Yeah.
We didn't see them do much movement on the field.
They were just in a group.
When we just arrived, we saw the Costa Rican team walk the field from corner flag to corner flag, from 6-yard box to 6. They walked every single inch of the pitch. However, the international-based players, or may I say, the dual national players, they just went and they stood in the center circle. They congregated for a bit. We saw them have a laugh. We saw them talk to each other. Ravel Morrison being Ravel, joking around, laughing, making fun as usual. And then after about 10 minutes, they just left and went back to the dressing room. No sight of any Jamaican-born players. So I'm not sure what that means, but you guys are free to speculate.
Yeah. Also, you guys, tell us in the comment section, what do you think that means? No local-born players on the field, only the English-based players. But it's important that we know it though. Michael Antonio was not on the field. Who else?
Daniel Johnson.
Daniel Johnson was not on the field. So those were the 2 dual nationals that were not walking the field. But yeah, make of it what you may. Tell us in the comment section. Don't forget though to like, comment, share, subscribe, share the video, guys. Me have a stick on the point there. Share the videos and stay tuned for more content. We'll be giving you guys interviews. We already start already. Interviews with everybody that you want to see, and we will be asking the questions. So stay tuned to This or That Sports TV for post-match interviews.
Yeah, and we're going to go back in right now. The players are about to come out to warm up. So we're going to constantly get you guys videos, updates, what we see in the warm-up or what you guys are going to see, because we'll keep posting, we'll keep updating. So guys, follow us on Instagram if you want to see live action updates from what's going on in the stadium, guys. Follow us on IG, This or That Sports TV. It's that simple, guys. But with that said, for now, This or That Sports TV,
we're out.